Guessing the characters with Donald Part 5, Honk Animation Editions.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Wait!
What? Craig, what are you doing?
Huh, it is mine now on the Guessing the Characters.
No, it's mine.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
That's it, Donald. Ah, much better.
Guessing the characters with Donald Part 5, Honk Animation Editions. Also, but replace Craig.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
He's the first one.
Flamingo.
Correct. Second one.
Anne.
Well done. Third one.
Noah.
Yes! 4-1.
Cryodranko.
You did it. Here's the last one.
Nizzy.
Wow, that was amazing!